OnPassive is the IT giant that will show the shady dealers that is being used to scam people out of their money on the internet. Those who have lost money will soon have a company in OnPassive that will have their interest at heart. OnPassive will eliminate the risk of losing money to make money. Everyone who becomes part of OnPassive as a founder or a customer will have success. That will be a monumental change in the way business is being conducted when OnPassive is unleashed on the internet. OnPassive was created by Mr. Mufareh because he knew that most people lost money trying to make money on the internet. He knew that he was successful in internet marketing because he had been trained by the best. Everything that has taken Mr. Mufareh over 20 years to learn, he has put in the creating of OnPassive. He has eliminated the mistakes in those 20 years from OnPassive. The sacrifices, the pain, the money wasted, the sweat, the blood, the tears that he has shed have all been for the good of all founders and future customers of OnPassive. We founders can never repay Mr. Mufareh for what he has done for us. We founders are on our way to total financial freedom. Mr. Mufareh has given us bars of gold, over 637,000 bars of gold, and more coming. Let each one of us share our bars of gold with those who need help. OnPassive is putting us in position to do that. We are in it to win it. Our love is unlimited. The founder's position is golden in OnPassive. It can't be matched by any other company online or offline. Never in the history of business has there ever been a company built like OnPassive. What other company would equitably share its wealth like OnPassive has been built to do? No other company has done that or will ever do that, except one company, OnPassive. The golden founder's position has elevated common people to uncommon places. The rarefied air where only the 1% of humanity exists. Think of the good that we will be able to do, to help people who others have forgotten, misused, and have taken untold amounts of money from, those unsuspecting individuals who thought that they would be able to improve their lives and the lives of their families. OnPassive will be able to help those people. OnPassive is the tidal wave that is about to hit the internet. That wave is so massive and powerful that it is going to uproot all companies that are not built like OnPassive. Those companies will not be able to compete with OnPassive's business model. The reason is that those companies look out for themselves, not people. That business model is doomed for failure. OnPassive is going to send all those companies to an early exit, out of business. All those behemoths, who think that they are invincible, will be taught a stinging lesson. When OnPassive launches to the world, it will expose those companies as selfish, greedy, and heartless. OnPassive will redistribute the wealth and give to the poor, giving all an opportunity to use OnPassive's state-of-the-art digital masterpiece products. People will be able to make money while saving money. That is mind-blowing and revolutionary. What a powerful and positive impact OnPassive will have on the lives of countless millions of people. How does the golden founder's position play a role? We will be leading the charge, helping those in need. None of this would be possible without the heart and the love Mr. Mufareh has for humanity. Mr. Mufareh's genius and vision are about to be realized by the world and the internet. We are all in it to win it. For decades, users of the internet have been looking for ways to make money, to increase the quality of their lives and their families' lives. Every shiny object promising that it can help them make money has been a failure for 97% of those who have been attracted to those shiny objects. Hidden within those shiny objects are systems designed to cause harm and failure to their users. These companies were designed for the creators of those systems, not the masses who use them. That failure model is all over the internet, and more users are being systematically disadvantaged. These giant tech companies are about to be shocked and must deal with a business model that is built for those who have been scammed by those companies. It is a company built to make sure that they are treated fairly. Finally, for those internet users, is a light at the end of the tunnel, filled with the dreams for hundreds of millions of users of the internet. This light, powered by love, is OnPassive. Over 636,000 blessed souls are founders and customers of OnPassive. OnPassive is a train that is loaded with love, and still has room for more to come aboard. The capacity of OnPassive's train of love is unlimited. It is safe to ride on and it cannot be derailed. OnPassive will not only make you money but also save you money. That is an unbeatable and perfect combination. The engineer of OnPassive's train is Mr. Mufareh. Mr. Mufareh noticed how internet users have lost money to those shiny objects, pretending to help its users. Well, he did something about it. Mr. Mufareh and his staff have created OnPassive for the benefit of humanity. Thanks, Mr. Mufareh, for creating OnPassive. We all love you so much. Because you love us. John White, USA. A Bill Must production.